Welcome to Candace's journey. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CJ flash order. With this EA, I can easily open my order by selecting stop loss price, enter price, and take profit. And this EA detects my order type automatically by the position of this line. So if I drag this line above, we have a sell order. And now I just need to enter my risk for this order. For example, 50, press enter, and the lot size will be updated automatically. The risk unit can be selected from my account balance or by my account currency, which is a UD. I can also put a custom comment in the order and press enter. If I want to change the stop loss price, but I want to keep the reward ratio, then I just click here and then I move the stop loss. The take profit line will be updated automatically. And then I just need to press the open sell stop. And now we have the order places. We can hide the lines to see the result. We can customize the color of the lines by go to expert list, properties. And here we have the line colors for enterprise, stop loss, take profit. We can change the width of the line and we can sync the color from the line to the value. Now you can see the values have the colors from the lines. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please put a comment below. I have the link to download this EA in the description. Hope you enjoy. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.